Hi, welcome to 3D Animation Exam. I am Autodesk Maya online teacher. Today we shall see how to make a teacup using Wedge tool. In the previous video we used Bridge tool, Torus, and this video we are not going to use those tools and polygon primitives. We will be using the Wedge tool to make a teacup. Okay, let's start. Go to front view. Create the side profile curve for the teacup. Use grid snap. The double layer. Switch on the display CV, surfaces, revolve, same settings we used for the video one. Normal surfacing inside, we have to make it inverse. Select the curve, go to curves, apply reverse direction. You can hide the curve, name it teacup. Now to make the handle we are going to use the wedge tool. Before that we have to add the edges, mesh tools, multi-cut. On both the sides we have to add the edges. You can see I have added these edges, this one and this one, and added. Right, now I want to add this horizontal line or two. Go to multi-cut, if it is okay. Now these both the faces we have selected. From that we are going to do the exclusion. Using the wedge tool we are going to do the exclusion. So before that we have to create a cube and place it below the faces just now we selected. Switch on the wireframe on shader, go to front view. From here the exclusion is going to happen. This you imagine like this is a protractor and this is the center. So from here it's going to get extruded and join here. So for wedge tool we have to define the center also in the form of edge. Select both the objects, switch to component mode, right click, go to multi mode, and faces are already selected. Select the cube's edge also. Now go to edit mesh, wedge settings, edit reset settings, wedge. Now you can see the exclusion has happened. Increase the divisions and increase the wedge angle too. You can see it is joining beautifully. So this is the reason we used the curve cube's edge as a reference. It's a kind of center of the compass. So these are divisions and let it not touch the teacup, like this. Let there be a gap. Now we have to select these faces and delete them, and at the same level we have to add the edges in the teacup. Right, this is enough, and I will select the faces in the teacup too, delete it. Now select the edges, let's see, I will switch off the grid for the clarity. I have selected these edges and these edges to bridge them, like how we did in the video 1 for the teacup modeling. Same tool I am using here. Right, now we have to do the same here. Like we have to broaden this portion here by using slide edge tool. I will first select the edges. You have to individually select those edges. Now go to mesh tools, slide edge, and same way this side also we have to select. Remember, we have to individually select these edges. See that all edges are selected in the same line. Now go to mesh tools again, slide edge. Okay, right. Now this side is, from the top view you can see this side is broadened. This vertically also we should make it broad. So select the edges. You can see got selected. Just before using the slide edge, you just check it in the wireframe mode also to check whether it is all selected or not. It's selected now for here. Go to mesh tools, slide edge, bring it down. Right, now these edges also we have to raise it. Mesh tools, slide edge. Okay, this cube we don't need anymore, you can delete them. Now we don't need retopologize for this model. We can, the same way we can use it. We will apply mesh smooth. Yeah, so also we can apply soften edge. Let's see how it looks. Switch off the wireframe on shader. It's okay. If you want to increase the smoothness divisions, you can increase. Go to smoothness in the history and type 2 as divisions. Now it's looking nice, right? Okay, now we have to create the saucer. Switch on the grid. Go to curve tools, CV, use grid snap. Switch on the NURB CV, sometimes it gets switched off. Use the grid snap. And maximize the view and work, it will be convenient for you. Should be same way like how we did for video 1. It should be double layer. Enter. Now apply revolve, same settings, go to mesh, apply smooth, divisions 2. Now we can apply shader so that we can raise, let it contact the bottom of the cup. Check in the perspective, it's okay. Show grid off. Now you can create a floor. Name it floor. This one's also curves, we can hide it. Now create a null light. For a change, I will increase intensity to specular to sorry, apply shader, go to Windows, animate rendering editors, hyper shader, create standard surface, double click on the shader, name it teacup shader, select the saucer and teacup, assign material to selection, and get the shader attribute here, change the color, you can see. I'm going to apply red color. Let's render and see. Go to add node, render. Can make it more saturated. Increase the metalness to 0.15. And if you want, you can increase the coat. It creates a kind of oily layer on the surface of the mesh, and put weight as 0.4 and roughness as 0. Here also I will reduce the roughness to at least to 0.1. Now you can see it's looking glossy, more glossy. You can increase reflection to 1.7. Okay, let's wait for the render. We can increase render parameters, that is number of pixels. It will come up very well, but it takes time to render, so let's wait for the render. Okay, the render is completed. Now the shader work is over. So Okay guys, that's it for today. In the next video, we'll be seeing how to make a table chat. So you can visit my website 3danimationignore.com to know about my online classes and YouTube links. Please subscribe my channel to see more videos on my software. Thanks for being with me. Cheers.